company's orientation towards marketplace. So now here we are discussing about marketing concept, and it means that we have to have a sense and respond kind of approach. In selling, we had make and sell approach. We used to first manufacture the product, and then we used to decide on selling them. And here the approach is sense and respond approach. So our starting point of business will be customers, and here the goal is to create, communicate and deliver superior customer values. Okay, and we won't be able to create customer values if we do not understand the needs of the customers. Okay, so marketer needs to find right product under this marketing concept. That's where lies the difference between marketing and selling. In selling, our approach was to make and sell. We were looking for the right customers. We were looking for the customers who are ready to buy. So our approach was like a hunter. We were hunting. Rather, in marketing, we are not that much interested in finding the right customers. Our job is not hunting. Rather, our job is to find the right products for the customers. And we can offer right products for the customers when we can understand the customers well. Okay, so here the idea is to understand needs and customers well, and accordingly we will design the products and services, and we will create value for the customers, and we will offer them the products. And if the products fit the customers, it will definitely satisfy the customers. And if the customers are satisfied, they will be ready to do business with us, and selling will be just superfluous. But there always be some kind of need of selling. So here the approach is not reactive. Our approach would be proactive in nature. Proactive means we have to decide in advance. Okay? And we can be proactive by being innovative. Okay? Another approach of marketing is that holistic concept. So holistic marketing. So now we are talking about holistic marketing. That was traditional marketing, and in modern times we are talking about holistic marketing concept. And this concept is based on the development, design and implementation of marketing programs, processes and activities that recognize their breadth and interdependencies. So marketing cannot work in isolation. You need to have a broad-based approach. So holistic marketing is a marketing approach which covers all the functional areas and all the processes and activities required to create superior customer value. So look at this in detail. So holistic marketing covers these different marketing approaches, or all these different marketing approaches all together constitute holistic marketing. One approach is relationship marketing, another is integrated marketing, internal marketing, and performance marketing. The idea is that in order to implement holistic marketing program, you have to implement relationship marketing, integrated marketing, internal marketing, and performance marketing. What is relationship marketing? Relationship marketing aims to build mutually satisfying long-term relationship with key constituents in order to earn and retain their business. So under relationship marketing, our job will be to maintain long-term relationship with all the key parties involved in marketing. Like we have to maintain very good relationship with the customers, we have to maintain very good relationship with the suppliers, we have to maintain very good relationship with the channel partners. Okay, so if we can maintain or build the relationship, then every parties, each constituents will be interested in doing business with us, and that would make the organization very much effective and profitable. These are the key constituents. You can see that customers, employees, channel partners, your financial community, okay, the lenders, the creditors. Next is integrated marketing. What is that? Let us see. Integrated marketing occurs when the marketer devises marketing activities and assemble marketing program to create, communicate, and deliver value for the customers. So we have to devise various marketing activities. We have to come out with different sort of marketing activities, and we need to have coordination among all these activities. Okay? One activity should not work in isolation. One activity should be linked with another activity. So if you can do it, then we'll be able to implement integrated marketing. Next is internal marketing. What is that? This is very, very important. Internal marketing. Internal marketing is the task of hiring, training, and motivating able employees who want to serve customers well. So here comes the most important concept, that is internal concept of internal customers. So who are the internal customers? Your employees are the internal customers. And this integrated marketing says that first you have to sell to the internal customers. You have to sell the idea of marketing to your employees. If your employees are convinced, then only you'll be able to implement a holistic marketing approach. Your company will be too much customer focused and customers will be served well. Okay, that's